Hey guys, it's Carla on Living the Duct Tape Life, and this week's theme is tutorials. So I decided to make my tutorial on this cup thing. Whoop, sorry. And it's just hold pencils, obviously. So yeah, let's just get started with the supplies. So first you're going to need a cutting mat, a ruler, an X-Acto knife, possibly scissors, I don't know. You're going to need 2 empty rolls of tape and then actual duct tape that you can use. So yeah, let's just get started. I forgot to say credit goes to Duct Tape DTD by Emily's because she made up how to make these little cup things, so I just kind of figured out how to make the bigger ones that can hold pencils and stuff. So yeah, so first off, you're going to need 6 strips of your inside color that are 3 3/4 inches. So it goes on the inside. So then what you're going to do is you're just going to put these together, line this up at the bottom, and then just stick it down. But you might want to put it on here first and then stick it here afterwards. It just makes it easier. And then you might have some sticking over because, as you know, it's not exactly 2 inches, the roll. So then just keep doing this around and it'll be easier since you already have one, and you can just like fold this down. Okay, so now that you have this piece, or this, yeah, I guess it's kind of a piece. So you're going to take 6 pieces that are 4 1/4 inch of your outside color, and you're just going to take 6 of those. My bad, you're not going to need the 6 pieces yet, but don't worry, you're not wasting tape. You will need it. It's just not the correct step right now. So right now, what you're going to need to do is take 2 pieces that are just like 3 1/2 inches of your inside color, and it just needs to fit like that. So what you're going to do okay, just getting a better angle here. What you're going to do is you're going to put your circle type thing in there, and I like to grab a pencil and just go around and then just cut the circle that you made. You can take your X-Acto knife and do it like that too, like just go like that, but I just like to have it neater like this. So that's what you're going to need to do. Okay, so once you have your circle cut out, you're going to place this down and then grab your outside color and just put like around 1/2 inch on all sides. Just estimate or whatever. And then what you're going to need to do is cut like a circle. Doesn't have to be like perfect at all, just still leave around 1/4 inch or so on the sides. Don't make it like too short. And then just cut around. Like, I don't even cut a circle, I just kind of cut the corners down a little bit. But yeah, so if you want, you can just cut the corners down and leave the rest. Something like that. Not perfect at all, but yeah. So then you're just going to have that. Some scraps. Okay, so then just place it down, like right around it. And then what you're going to do is cut little slits with your X-Acto knife or scissors. Doesn't really matter. Just cut little slits around the whole thing. And this just makes it easier to fold. I guess the smaller the easier. So then you're just going to fold some of them down, just like this. I like to take it and peel them off of each other because and just stick. So yeah, then just keep going around the whole thing. Okay, so once you covered or folded down the whole everything, you should have something that looks like this. And now you're going to take your 6 pieces that you cut earlier, and that's why it's nice to have straight edges so it won't like go over or anything. And then just place it at the very edge. And then flatten it out. And then I like to cut slits because it just makes it a whole lot easier. And there isn't exactly a 1/4 of an inch because, as I said, duct tape is not exactly 2 inches, so it can be 4 inches. So it's just going to be a little bit over a 1/4 of an inch on the top, but I don't really mind that. See how it's thicker around the edges? So yeah, if you want, you can like measure it exactly 1.88 plus 1.88, something like that, I don't know. So then you're just going to keep going around the entire thing, and you can line it up at this point if your tape lines up. Like this polka dots one, I lined up the polka dots, just not the same color. So yeah, you can do that. And just remember to keep cutting little slits, because I don't think you can even fold it down without it. It'll be really wrinkled. So yeah, just keep folding them down. Remember to keep smoothing it out so it doesn't have any like wrinkles. And I kind of put it too far down so it didn't close all the way. Remember not to overlap it too much or you won't have enough and you'll have to cut out a whole other piece. So just don't overlap it on top of each other too much, because then it won't close off. Like mine just was about to not, but I just moved it over. And then I like to go like this. Hang on. Raise this up. I like to put my finger around it and close it off so then it leaves like no wrinkles at all. So yeah, now you can put your pencils, X-Acto knives, rulers, anything, scissors that you want in here. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, whatever, and click the subscribe button. So yeah, bye guys. I will see you guys next Wednesday.